This is 8-year-old Norman, an Agta Dumagat from Casiguran, Aurora. He lives along the shores of Barangay San Ildefonso in Casiguran. But today, his playground is the seminary in Cabanatuan City, 220 kilometers from home. Norman is here with 118 other residents. They are on the 10th day of a 350-kilometer march from Aurora to Malacanang. They started marching on November 24 to protest the Aurora Pacific Economic Zone and Freeport Authority. APECO is a 12,000-hectare special economic zone that covers 5 barangays. It is the brainchild of the Angaras of Aurora. The Angaras, Senator Edgardo Angara, Aurora Representative Sonny Angara, and Governor Bellaflor Angara see the eco-zone will provide jobs for Aurora residents. But marchers say it is legalized land grabbing.
Ay pinipilit niya pong bilihin sa amin ang lupa ng aming sinasaka sa halagang 60,000 per hektarya lang po. Ang sabi ko po ay hindi ko binibenta ang lupa namin kasi po ang lupa ay ang buhay. Paano po kung kukunin nila sa amin niya, paano na ang pamilya ko para na nilang pinatay kami?
They are against the kind of development APECO will bring.
Amin pong mga mangingisda, nagkaroon na po kami ng agam-agam pagkatakot dahil ang aming pangisdaan ay maaring mapulyot gawa din sa Freeport na pinatayo nila.
The walk takes them across different terrain, from unpaved roads to steep mountainsides. They have over 140 kilometers left in their march. It hasn't been easy, but despite all odds, spirits remain high.
Nung una, nakaramdam ako ng takot, kaba. Pero nung pagdating ko sa kalsada, ay maraming pumapalakpak. Aba, ay marami palang sumusuporta sa amin. Kaya naalis yung kaba ko.
The fisherfolk, farmers, and indigenous peoples of Casiguran are hopeful the march will be worth it. After all, it's about standing up for their land, their livelihood, and the future their children deserve. Bea Cupin, Rappler, Cabanatuan City.